This is a 2-minute review of the battery-powered iTel Classic 2 hair clipper with LED display. This hair clipper can be charged from 0 to 100% in 4 hours with a power bank or a wall adapter. The brand claims the battery is built to run for at least 4 hours. In the box, you get the clipper, user instruction manual, USB charging cable, 4 limit combs, as well as a cleaning brush and oil. I've had this clipper for well over 6 months and it hasn't given me any serious issues whatsoever. What I would say though is that if you plan to do a clean shave of the beard area or your hair, you might have to get your barber to adjust or realign the blades. 2, I don't trust the battery claims of this clipper because there was a particular day I went to cut my hair. The barber spent like 30 minutes cutting my hair, and by the time he was done, 40% of the battery had dropped. Whatever you do, whenever you go to cut your hair, do please recharge this clipper before going to avoid issues, any hang-ups. When it comes to overheating, this hasn't really overheated per se, unless for a particular day when I went to the barber shop, there was no lights, his AC of course wasn't functional, the sun was really out and was really hot, and so the clipper got a bit hot against my skin. But aside from that, I've not had any overheating complaints with this. So the only main issue with this is just the battery. You need to handle this with care so that the battery will last. iTel products and their batteries, in my experience, are very shitty. So yeah, do have that in mind. If you have any questions or comments, do please leave them down in the comment section down below. And yeah, that's it. Don't forget to please like, share, subscribe if you find the video helpful, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.